I'm going to give you a quick run through of Trello. It's a Kanban board and Scrum methodology tool set that I use quite a bit. Now, Trello is used for a variety of different projects and you could set up in different ways. Typically, you set it up with a to-do, doing, and done category or list. And all of the tasks that you need to accomplish are in the to-do category. And once you accomplish these tasks, then you will take that task and you'll move it over to the doing category. And you could just click and drag and do it just like that. Once you are done with the task, you move it over to the done category. Now, you'll notice that there is an additional detail page here where you could have comments, and you could add different members to the task. So here I'm adding myself, and there's also a way to add members quickly through this shortcut here. Once I'm done, or once I'm ready to do the task, I'll move it over to doing. And once I'm done with the task, I'll move it over to done. Now, there's two other lists, the backlog and the archive list, that are typically presented on the boards. The backlog is any task that will come up in the future. And so we can create new tasks that are in the backlog. So for example, task 1, task 2, and task 3. And there's task 3. And so anytime I am ready to assign the task, I'll assign it to someone and move it over to doing. And of course, when that person starts doing the task, they'll click it, move it over to doing, and when they're done with the task, they'll move it over to done. To clean up the done board, you can move things over to the archive, just like that. There's a lot of different ways to use Trello, and there's a lot of things that we didn't talk about, but this is just a quick overview that will help you get started with Trello and task management. Thanks.